Welcome to Home Farm. As you can see, one of our steps has broken. We had a visitor that stood on it a bit awkwardly and it snapped off. This is a slate step, so it is a bit of a clean break. Slate can be a bit brittle, and as you can see there's a bit of overhang on the step, so any excessive pressure on a brittle portion of it allowed it to snap. So today we're going to see whether we can repair it or not. Our go-to guy at our local hardware store strongly recommended this product by Geocel. It's called The Works, and it's a high grab ultra adhesive. Apparently this product just absolutely sticks anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to dab some of that onto there. We're then going to apply the broken piece to that, and we're going to prop it up with some of these terracotta pieces which I've already pre-measured. The step's nicely propped up. I've got a really good bond happening through the top. You can obviously see the crack, but that's as close as you're going to get it to the original. It is slate, so it is layered, so that's the best that we can do. It's a lot thicker as an adhesive than I expected. I was expecting it to probably be a bit waterier, having never used anything like this. So it is a little bit gunky. You just got to apply it quite gently. Because it is just so thick. It claims that the drying time is going to be about 24 hours per 3 millimeters. We certainly used less than 3 mils, so I'm expecting this to have set by tomorrow morning. We'll probably leave the stones underneath there for a couple of days just to make sure that we get a really good bond, and then we'll do an update and see where we are. So it's been 3 days since we did the step repair. And the reason for that is we had just an enormous downpour yesterday. It was just chucking it down. So there was no way I was going to come out here and have a look at this. It's dried out today, so in any event it's given it an extra day to cure. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the little terracotta support tiles, and fingers crossed it's actually going to stay up. As you can see, it's on pretty well. I'm giving it a good forceful tug. I don't think I'd be standing on that anytime soon, but at least for the time being, it's up there and it's cemented on. So success, well done Geocel.
Thanks for watching. You can also follow us on Instagram or check out our website at myhomefarm.co.uk. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button below. And if you have any suggestions for any other videos you would like to see, please leave a comment. We hope to see you on our next video.